The tone of fuck off, brother. Pete and Bass, fuck you. Pete and Bass, fuck you. I said it. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. What is up, guys? We're going to give it another reaction. Yo! Today we're here with I don't know what this is. I don't know what to expect. But a lot of artists in this one. Lots and lots and lots. Suspect. PR Sad. DoRoad. R6. Hashtag A92. If I see a name. Hashtag A92 big myself. Pete and Bass. Kwengface. PS. Plugged in with Fumes. Fumes, big up your fucking self, dog. You always are forward with this mad freestyles. We're not wasting no time. We're gonna jump straight tonight with a lot of yeah, let's go. We're not breaking down this, because this is too long for breakdown, We are gonna react to this one. So let's see what going on, SG. Let's go. Ready?
You know, a lot of people ask us, how is 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃 funded and where do you get your money from? The simple answer?
Plugged in, Fumes the engineer.
Bumbo Claw, watch your boss them, man.
I'm the one they blame for a lot of their pain. And my Ross got beast and I can't be tamed. Grim Reaper, high fan got that name, man. Taper states, man, don't play game. When I'm the one they blame for a lot of their pain. And my Ross got beast and I can't be tamed. Grim Reaper, high fan got that name, man. Taper states, man, don't play game. When gang got dropped but got there late, they dropped, so I can't complain. They all wanna know why I open heads. My zombie don't want nothing but brains. Bring out the guts, I'm broke off the back. I might just call this shotgun Shane and grip the toe gauge, don't slip in the back row, get front page. Don't need a salon to get my wig, just give him a shave and watch him fade. Free arm response, free risky, free T-scan, free smoky, free Bodane.
Was a man a setback, the killer's home all night, they ain't get back. Music made them forget that 2 points elsewhere, you ain't know. We ain't bring waps in gardens, regular users, we paid them marching. We ignited this beef, their verbal charge, they done couple things now, get side.
Honestly, why me couldn't break this down and stop it every 10 seconds? Honestly, why? Carry on.
By side was up and under. It rips flesh, we ain't worried about jumpers. He want a wrist, so we hit him with a bumper. I seen fly high, no point looking under. Spin this scoop, slow down, he's smoking. I didn't do it like emotion. I hopped out the car with the whip was rolling. Hopped that fence and my breath was smoking.
Why are you fronting? You ain't no fucking gunman, cuz. Niggas can't say that about me, could've seen or heard about bum man. Skid round, trying to get a pumpkin, I made man jump when I hit him with a Humpty Dump. This 6-shot one will turn into a sticky one. If I see him, he's guaranteed once, punk. I ain't no idiot. Step round there and just beat it. But I won't step round there and just beat it. I squeeze it when I see him and then I'ma dash off when I got him. Pee with my brother, I love him, I got him. We got bad habits, we got in common. Catch it up, then we pop him.
Let's get on with it.
I got locked in a box. He got put in a. Is a world. Got hit with the ancient dots. Shotty come way too rusty. Greased that down with WD-40.
Listen to him say a while ago. Listen to him say, and then I go add my two cents in.
Got hit with the ancient dots. Shotty come way too rusty. Greased that down with WD-40.
Shotty, the shotgun come way too rusty. Grease that down with WD-40. In a Jamaica, you know where we use grease that down? Pepsi. Yeah. You'll never know that, right? Pepsi. Something rusty, you put Pepsi on it. Leave it on the Pepsi and the Pepsi just deal with it. You understand? Yeah. Put Pepsi on a gun when it's musty. But put Pepsi on a gun when it's rusty. Bust me gun till the nozzle get musty. You understand? Yo. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't leave your guns outside, we caught in a match with 40. Sato boots, I got me a gym bag, me and my team are 40. And the way that I got down, the scars on him was way too naughty. 4-4 chunky stones, we done that twice. Friday, put him on loan.
You say I don't rap in an Irish accent, well fuck you, I'm already on top. You trap boy like trap boy, before I ever invest in jewels, I'll invest in a glove. Gangs on top, grind don't stop, rapping or robbing, anything for the guap. Band on settings, I'm chilling with fiends, even them man know that you can't beef us.
He loved to flex online like Balotelli, but he sauce and shot himself.
He loved to flex online like Balotelli, but he shot some shot himself. He loved to flex online like Balotelli. The little pause just threw me off. The little pause, when I'm fouled in, the little pause, he loved to flex online.
Them man know that you can't beef us.
He loved to flex online like Balotelli, but he sauce and shot himself. Oh my, he left his girl, doesn't matter, she's a Jezebel. And I heard how the pum pum smell, that's why I don't go for a girl, but I'll...
You hear that the pum pum smell, that's why I don't go for then the part the blackout films. Why you black that out? Me don't want your rich girl pum pum smelly. Me don't want to hear that films. Why you black that out, G? Come on, man, G.
Matter, she's a Jezebel. And I heard how the pum pum smell, that's why I don't go for a girl, but I'll still take her, not to beat. I'll chin you down when she gives me a twerk.
My bro DD fell in love with his tools. Fill up the car, let's glide on these fools, bro. Jump on a pad and drive a vroom vroom, bro. Roll on man, bomb man like a zoo. I'm addicted to smoke, ain't nothing like Snoop. My dog come tap to your young Ice Cube. I got sweets trying to M2 use, call it M and M's get sweets here too.
Beef with me, man, I hope you're ready. Don't play with your mental health, cause the Mustang will leave you with more than a headache.
Who this? Which artist is this I sing now? Which artist is this that just came in, guys? Leave it in the comment section. Which artist is start from 2 minutes and 54 seconds? Just timestamp it and leave the artist name.
Beef with me, man, I hope you're ready. Don't play with your mental health, cause the Mustang will leave you with more than a headache. A man's gonna stick like Tiger Woods, leave a hole in one like headache. Aye, steady.
If the hardest me hear so far in this, and I'm waiting for Pete and Bass and Kwengface, but him the baddest me hear, like not even baddest, the most like the one that grab me.
Beef with me, man, I hope you're ready. Don't play with your mental health, cause the Mustang will leave you with more than a headache. A man's gonna stick like Tiger Woods, leave a hole in one like headache. Aye, steady. Can't talk about the things that we've done, cause man's on TV now gets tech.
On the rhino talk, just ad-libs, best skirt, ching ching, bow, dot, same size as Lil Bow Wow, stuff 2 cannons in.
What the fuck you just say like that?
Aye, steady. Can't talk about the things that we've done, cause man's on TV now gets tech.
On the rhino talk, just ad-libs, best skirt, ching ching, bow, dot, same size as Lil Bow Wow, stuff 2 cannons in, I'm tryna wild out. Find out where you hang and gonna ride out. My blood, I'm getting high now. Headshots, we don't sky round. Chest shot, make a nigga lie down. Everything real that a nigga write down. Big stainless steel, make a nigga pipe down. His war too real, can never die down. If an A and B down, phone down. I'm expect, better respect. Might get your head wet, tryna come a G-check. Tryna pick which bro had a colourful set. Turn purple when I see red.
Ice cubes in a nice cold glass of the car, a blanket Bacardi, white rum, and I been there and about with about 10 more birds than I just did last week. Money whoops into me.
Yo, and them me a wait pan. These are the guys me a wait pan. Them never seem to amuse me. Let's go down.
Ice cubes in a nice cold glass of the car, a blanket Bacardi, white rum, and I been there and about with about 10 more birds than I just did last week. Money whoops into me bank like dogs at a picnic party. I've been bringing in a bacon, darling. Yeah. Here come nobody's got flows like this.
Boss, fuck off. Anyone I wanna fuck off, me can't remember them name. Boss Beat, fuck to wanna fuck off. To wanna fuck off, brother. What the fuck? They don't wanna fuck off, brother. Pete and Bass, fuck you. Pete and Bass, fuck you. I said it. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Purple when I see red.
Ice cubes in a nice cold glass of the Carter, Blanca Bacardi, white rum, and I've been out and about with about 10 more birds than I just did last week. Money whoops into my bank like dogs at a picnic party. I've been bringing in a bacon, darling. Yeah. Yeah, haircut, nobody's got flows like this then.
Good question. I don't know, see I ain't got a clue when I move so slow. No way, we don't play no games. Get crossed when your circles loose like tic-tac-toe. Yeah.
Me can't leave that. Me can't leave there. Me can't leave the party. Me can't leave the party. Me can't leave the party. The man said, "Oh, come and nobody got flows like this." Then, good question. Good fucking question. This is why you guys are up on the level where not a lot of artists is.
Last week, money whoops into my bank like dogs at a picnic party. I've been bringing in a bacon, darling. Yeah. Yeah, haircut, nobody's got flows like this then.
Good question. I don't know, see I ain't got a clue when I move so slow. No way, we don't play no games. Get crossed when your circles loose like tic-tac-toe. None of them work like Pete and Baz. Got a bigger net worth than Peter Jones. Run up in his ass and a kick off the door when the family's out and he's home on his own.
Stepping my forces on my Jordans. Man get pissed like Morgan. Do it this morning, now they all morning. Could've put more in, but it got boring. I put my all in, up block touring. I'm like a foreign. 4-door foreign, could've put more in, but we just wanted to bang, we're whoring.
Still trying to do it, man, hashtag critically. Pen brown ink called Tiffany, all on me and her bracelet Tiffany. She gave me sock top and a drop top, nearly had an epiphany. This black and ting is Russian, this shot now kids from Italy. The other side lit, I disagree.
I know the up boys will sick of me. Can't lie, I can't even blame them. Pepper that beef like tickle me. I just come run up cause mayhem. I got a skeng in the AM, or when it's late trying to catch me a pagan. Ask me if them man ride, it's blatant. I just say no Ronald Reagan.
P like Freddie and Jason, 2 man, 2 Anglos, man shaving. In a 2.2 with 2 on my Bruce, 3 hours just looking for payday. Wave it, man shave it, do it with flair, put your face in the papers. Us man just done us a drill. Nostalgic, ain't done it in ages.
Fuse, the engineer.
Yo! Yo! Woo! Are you guys for real, dog? Is Pete and Bass for real, dog? Pete and Bass take it for me, and the youth where they are 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Them two they take it for me still. My dress. Later, me gone. Bye.